All living things must eat. They need food to survive, just like we do. But have you ever wondered how plants eat?
Can I feed a plant like this? Like putting a candy on its lip?
I don't think a plant can eat like that, Althea. You see, plants are quite different from us. And I think plants have their own unique way in making their own food.
People and other animals have to eat food. Birds, reptiles, fish, they all have their own ways of getting their nourishment. And then there are plants. They're living things too. And just like us, they need food to grow. But how do people differ from plants in eating food?
Well, most people eat their foods through their mouth. When we chew our food, and it goes directly into our stomach to be digested.
And how do you think a plant eats?
Through its mouth? Nah, that doesn't sound right. Unless it's a Venus flytrap.
That's right. But if it's not a Venus flytrap, plants get their food in a completely different way through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a fascinating process that green plants, algae, and even some bacteria use it to make their own food.
Hold on a second. Did you say plants make their own food? That's incredible. Well, I've always thought that plants just, plants. They don't go grocery shopping or cook meals. So how on earth do they manage to create their own food? Now I'm definitely intrigued to learn more about this.
Alright, let's dive into how plants do it, specifically the reactions involved in photosynthesis. A plant needs light. Nearly all of the Earth's energy comes from the sun. From the sun, as its sunlight strikes to its leaves, it may not seem obvious, but something is happening there. At its core, plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight into energy, specifically in the form of glucose. This energy is stored in the glucose molecules, which are essential for the plant's growth and survival. The chemical equation that represents photosynthesis is quite simple. It starts with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water on the left side. When these ingredients are subjected to the magic of sunlight, they undergo a fascinating transformation. This magical transformation happens within the chloroplasts, which are the plant's powerhouses. Chlorophyll, the green pigment found within these structures, captures the sunlight and kickstarts the process. This is where the captivating redox reaction comes into play. Carbon dioxide is reduced to form glucose, which represents the storage of chemical energy. During this process, electrons are transferred between molecules. The carbon in CO2 becomes the building blocks for glucose, and the hydrogen from H2O combines with carbon to create glucose's hydrogen-carbon bonds. This is where the chemical energy from the sun is stored. As these reactions continue, glucose is produced and released into the plant cells. This glucose can be used as an immediate energy source, stored for later use, or even converted into other vital compounds for the plant. While the water molecules is oxidized as well, leading to the release of oxygen and the production of electrons and protons used in various reactions during photosynthesis. Additionally, the oxygen generated during this process is released into the atmosphere as a waste product, where it plays a crucial role in supporting the respiration of other organisms, including us humans.
So, as you can see, photosynthesis is all about redox reactions, where water is oxidized and carbon dioxide is reduced, converting sunlight into chemical energy. It's a life-giving process that sustains our green friends and, in the end, us. We often consume plants as part of our diet, hence consuming glucose that is produced by plants through photosynthesis. But have you ever wondered how living organisms like us make use of this glucose as part of our growth and survival? Join us in our next video as we delve into the fascinating world of cellular respiration. Until next time, bye!